ये
लो।
हेलो 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 या
इसको फ्रेंड इनवाइट भेजो ना।
हाँ भेजता हूँ। अरे वीपीएन चालू करना पड़ेगा स्टीम के लिए, करता हूँ 1 मिनट।
ओके। डिस्कॉर्ड वीसी के लिए वीपीएन नहीं चाहिए क्या डिस्कॉर्ड वीसी के लिए?
नहीं मेरे तो वर्क करता है नॉर्मली, मतलब नहीं, वेब वर्जन यूज़ करो।
ये-
नॉर्मल वाला ब्लॉक हो गया, वेब वर्जन परफेक्टली
ओ
फाइन।
वेब वर्जन काम करता
हाँ वेब वर्जन यूज़ कर रहा हूँ मैं
है।
अभी।
ओके।
लेट मी ऐड यू फ्रेंड। आई सेंट यू फ्रेंड रिक्वेस्ट। व्हाट?
ओके, एक बार भेजो ना, लाइक कोड क्या है? ओके।
आई एम नॉट एबल
सर
टू ऐड यू
सेंडिंग।
फ्रेंड।
आई गेस मैं भेज सकता हूँ, एक मिनट ट्राई कर रहा हूँ। या
व्हाट?
सेंड फ्रेंड इनवाइट।
दैट्स,
देखो आया क्या?
हाँ आ गया। कुछ रिक्वायरमेंट्स होती है क्या इनकी? देयर सम काइंड ऑफ।
पता नहीं, लाइक आई गेस कुछ खरीदना पड़ता है।
ओह।
अब स्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ गेम। वीपीएन ऑफ कर दो।
1 मिनट। डन डन। देखो तुम्हें शो नहीं हो रहा तुम। हे आई कैन सी यू।
हेलो, अब क्या खेलना है?
कॉम्पिटिटिव।
ओके श्योर।
स्टार्ट।
वेट 1 मिनट। ये सब मैप्स लगा रहा हूँ, ओके
सब
ना?
लगाओ, कोई भी चलेगा, होस्टेज भी लगाओ, होस्टेज वाला चलेगा।
ओके।
अच्छा काउंटर स्ट्राइक में भी ट्रैकर काम करता है।
यप।
इज देयर एनी रैंक सिस्टम इन सीएस?
यहाँ पे ऑक्यूपस 3.5
ये
एमएम का ही लगेगा।
व्हाट्स योर
एक है
रैंक?
पर खरीदना पड़ता है, उसके लिए प्राइम खरीदना पड़ता है। उसका कॉस्ट 1270 है।
हाँ ये बाय प्रीमियर का ऑप्शन आ रहा है।
हाँ वाई प्राइम बोलते हैं। इट कॉस्ट 1270।
कैसे क्या होगा, क्या पूछ रहा है? 3.5 क्या होगा?
3.5 एमएम तो ये नहीं, या अभी कुछ चेंजेस आए क्या ऐसे कुछ?
नहीं नहीं वही है। Sri, are you planning to buy Prime?
यप, बट इट कॉस्ट 1270।
But like if you play CS every day, then it's like worth it.
या इट इज।
Hey, you should stream CS also, like Valorant.
Yeah. Yep, I can. So, but like, should I stream now also? Like now, अब stream करो क्या?
You can if you want.
Okay.
By the way, I'm
Yeah, I will.
recording but like not streaming.
Oh. Wait, one WhatsApp open करो ना. On PC.
The recording gets like too big. Just 50 minutes of
Oh.
recording is like 25 GBs.
Yeah. So it's better to stream than record.
I record on like 2K 120 FPS.
Oh, wait, why that much?
Yeah, because of 2K and bitrate also like maximum possible.
No, but like why 120 FPS?
I don't know, just to see replays clearly. But
Let's see.
like Nvidia supports maximum 120 FPS on record.
Oh. Okay, record with NVIDIA Shadowplay, not
Yeah.
OBS.
No, Nvidia app.
Oh,
Like Shadowplay is merged in Nvidia app nowadays. If
I
you
don't
use-
have that NVIDIA.
Oh, OBS यूज करने में क्या है, फ्रेम ड्रॉप्स होते होंगे मेरे हिसाब से.
Yeah,
पर
yeah,
इसमें
होते हैं, तो
कोई भी
इसे
डिफरेंस
remove
नहीं आता. Exactly same FPS almost.
Wait, what? Exactly same.
Yeah.
Oh, uninstall करता हूँ मैं फिर भी इसको.
अच्छा है, तुम फिर GPU की ग्राफिक्स ड्राइवर वगैरह के अपडेट्स कैसे करता है? Nvidia ऐप नहीं है तो.
लाइक मैन्युअली भी कर सकते हैं.
अच्छा, मैन्युअली करता है.
हाँ, कर सकते हैं. उतना हेक्टिक प्रोसेस भी नहीं है.
But still, like it's good.
Let's see. Actually, if I get lazy, then I'll just use the app.
Conditions.
Yep.
I don't know one thing, why they blocked Discord, man. Discord is not even a game.
I have no clue. Yeah, same question.
It's like a social media of VC.
Yep. In OBS also, like you can record in 120 FPS.
Oh. Like in Nvidia app, if you have like 4K resolution and all, like for high resolution recording, it is great.
Oh.
Let me see comparison on
How
ChatGPT.
long will it take? How long will it take to find match?
Maybe
5 minutes.
Dusty मिलेगा last में.
Only 2 players are searching worldwide.
In India, Chennai. Select all servers.
Chennai क्यों?
Maybe you have selected Chennai.
Wait, how to select?
Oh,
मिल गया, dust का मिल गया.
I told you will get dust.
Yep. एक्सेप्ट करेंगे या नहीं? और 2 लोग हैं.
Please accept. Please.
They will not accept.
I just asked ChatGPT like to difference in, like if you record in 4K 60 FPS on NVIDIA app and on OBS Studios. Like he said, there is a technology in like 40 and 50 series NVENC, which records
Yeah.
without frame drops, almost no frame drop.
Oh, NVNC is also there in OBS.
Oh, but he's
There
saying
are-
like
there
OBS
are two
gives
types.
more load, according to ChatGPT.
Oh. So like from what I know, like there are two types of NVNC. Like I guess one is H.264 and one is like I guess one is like AV1 encoder.
Yeah, yeah.
There's two types.
Oh.
I
And
use
one more
AV1,
thing
I-
you mentioned that like in OBS like users have reported 100% GPU spikes, but not in like
Yeah.
NVIDIA app. Like it decreases with
Should I start
GPU
streaming
usage.
or no?
By mistakenly I closed
Hello,
my
क्या हो
Chrome.
गया?
By mistake I closed my Chrome when I was closing GPT.
Oh,
Who takes technical time out in starting of the match?
nice. Our teammate is back. एक AFK था, इसलिए टाइम आउट आ गया. एक AFK गया, इसीलिए नो स्टार्ट हुआ.
I see. He gave me a headshot from smoke. Oh. Back.
Go plant. I'm camping in a corner.
I'm planting the bomb.
Nice shot. Damn, I heard that. Guys, mid, last one.
NT.
I guess he'll switch to Tech 9.
What?
I said no ammo in your gun.
Oh man!
Sheesh, bro, well done.
I recorded this.
We cannot be killed.
Nice. टीम चैट में बोला था क्या?
क्या बोला था टीम चैट?
I haven't almost.
पता नहीं, like हंस रहा था ये.
Just now.
Yeah, he's laughing.
Come on, let's go.
अरे
I think they were weak. Please long was weak.
हाँ मेरे पास प्लांट है.
We will dance on your planting.
तो इसके क्या enemies मिले हैं? Like actual bots.
I just killed one guy. I won't say that. They're bots.
Now is the time. Smoke. I'm throwing a grenade. Throwing a flashbang.
I'm lurking.
Throwing a flashbang. Flashbang. Smoke.
I just got a kill. We come, let's just go.
Grenade.
Nice, man.
Think you can kill us? This is easy. We kill them and then we go home.
Sri, you are going alone.
Yeah, I'm tracking. Last time I got a kill with this. I'll wait until the player gets
Grenade out.
then
Molotov. Flashbang. Throwing a flashbang.
I'm not able to see enemies.
Activating the bomb.
Yeah, because everyone is killing.
Yeah, except
Our
me.
teammate, like this guy, TWPX9 is killing everyone. He's pinging B.
Let's go, my brothers. Smoke.
Wow, crazy headshot.
It's okay, I got revenge.
He was sniping.
Grenade out.
I'm coming B with you.
Nice.
I'm planted.
Just plant terrorists.
And I got plus 3.
Can you check me if I speak in CS mic? Like, am I audible?
No, you're not speaking.
Hello,
It
hello,
will show
hello.
up on bottom left. Oh, yeah.
Hi.
Yeah, now you're speaking. Yes.
Like, in my it doesn't show that I'm speaking.
Oh.
Let's go. I'm throwing a flashbang. Smoke. Flashbang. Terror.
Bro, you two guys are just not letting me kill.
Yo, look at what I typed in chat.
Oh fuck. Rage bait again.
Yeah.
Smoke.
Bro, Sri, you have become toxic after playing in
I'm throwing a
English
grenade.
servers.
Yeah.
I'm throwing a flashbang.
I found that.
Throwing a flashbang.
Especially after I became toxic. But in my main, I'm not toxic at all. The Cassandra lobbies are somewhat fun to play. But whilst looking at the most
Bro, this guy killed me.
I killed you.
And last round also he like shot me in body.
Oh.
Do something. He's saying me do something, I think.
We must work together.
Hey, can I report him for like killing me?
Yeah, I think you can. I don't know how. But like he'll get banned if he kills you too many times. He'll get banned from this server. Yeah.
Grenade.
sometimes by mistake also. What the fuck?
I don't think he shot by mistake.
Yeah, he did twice. But I shoot
Yeah,
him
I'm
like
sure
by
he did.
mistake twice.
Oh, that's why he shot you maybe.
Nah, first he shot, then I.
Oh.
No more talking. Now we fight.
Bro, actual bot lobby. Shit, these kills were being.
Grenade out. Grenade out. Throwing a flashbang. Let's go. Activating the bomb. Bomb has been planted.
I think mid, right? They're towards mid.
Throwing smoke.
Yeah, mid.
Shit. Jumbo shoot. I hit 3 body on orange.
Flashbang.
Low, I hit 3 body. Is he saving?
Terrorists.
Nice.
We're on the real man. They can nothing to us now.
I'm getting carried in CS also. What the?
Vessel udei nahi.
It's fine.
These guys are like probably
Yeah.
foreigners.
We must move.
Yeah. Damn, look at my headshot percentage. It's 91.
Normally in CS.
Yeah, it's easier to aim in CS than Valorant, but everyone says the opposite. It's very easier to aim in this game.
I'm throwing a flashbang.
There is one at B. At the car.
Molotov. Throwing fire. Terrorists.
Hello, nice.
I fear no man.
क्या हो रहा है?
Let's go. Let's go. Whoa. I'm throwing a grenade. Sorry.
अरे
Throwing fire.
Actually, head के अंदर shotgun. There's one at B with shotgun.
oh crazy.
Yeah, nice. Hopping.
Terrorists win. We are the best. Bomb has been planted. Go, go, go. I'm throwing fire. Grenade out. Throwing fire. Flashbang. Throwing smoke.
No one is B. We can plant B.
In the spawn.
Bomb has been planted.
There's one and he had op.
Okay.
Nice.
Terrorists win. We won't stop you, little scout. That's what the win.
What the fuck? Someone got banned? He detected irregular gameplay. Shri,
Wait, what कौन ban हुआ?
I think this guy. Like,
Our teammate, our top fragger.
maybe.
ये enemies लोग कुछ नहीं बोल रहे हैं.
There is no way there is cheater in enemies. They're playing like shit.
हाँ मतलब उनको पूछा मैंने, उनको पूछा. Like कौन ban हुआ? They gave no reply.
You can get banned from other things also, rather than hacking.
I don't know. I think you can get banned with toxicity now. एक पहले नहीं था.
Toxicity in CS, that's very common.
यार पहले नहीं था पर अब है I guess. I'm not sure.
Maybe they were like fighting with each other.
Yeah, who knows?
Consistent. Remove dust from the map, please. I'm bored of playing dust.
Okay.
I've just played two maps, Dust like 4-5 times and Mirage 2 times. Others I
Yeah, same. Actually, I played Nuke once.
So,
Nuke once and once Anubis also.
but
that's
me
all.
and Parth we played this hostages one. I don't know, like maybe Office. That was Office, I think. I don't know.
Oh,
But that was really good match. We enjoyed
yeah,
it.
it's a good mode. It's a very good mode. It's very fun to play.
Yeah. Okay, you were saying now how to select servers. So like when you go in like settings,
like-
game, there is like a option to like select how much ping I want.
Where?
In option games,
Game?
like setting game, yeah, there is a max acceptable ping. There are servers.
Oh, okay.
I think we can just change this.
Yeah. Fine, I'm
By
increasing
Chennai,
it.
Arab and Singapore under 60. We can play this.
Okay, fine. I'll keep it at 60, okay? I think 60 is
Yeah, I also kept 60. Oh, in CS, like in settings, we have option to use like choose which cores of processor we want to use. Performance only, power saving, traffic hours. Oh,
Wait,
nice.
what?
Like we can in task
Oh, that I
manager.
have AMD CPU. I have AMD CPU, so I have all performance cores only. I have no like, efficiency cores.
Oh.
Yeah.
But
so
like
I don't have choice.
to do this thing, we have to manually go in like task manager and select the performance scores. But in CS,
Yeah,
we can directly select from settings.
What? You can do that?
Yeah, I'm getting direct option in settings.
Damn, nice.
You can also check
I
below
think they only are-
below that ping option, like 3 below ping option. CPU core usage preference.
Oh, it's not showing up for me.
Ah,
It's not showing up for me because I have AMD CPU.
okay. Your CPU have 8 cores, right?
Yep. Yeah, 8 cores, 16 threads.
Yeah, but those 8 cores are super powerful.
Yep. Nuke, let's go.
First time trying nuke.
Like it's a fun map to play, but it is very CT sided.
CT side, what do you mean by CT side?
Huh. Like, I see. It's like they have more chance to win in a round. Like in all pro games, like every time CT wins, like almost always.
Oh.
Yeah.
So like this map, it's hard for terrorists.
Yep.
Hey, which crosshair you use? I just copied dome.
Let's show them who we are.
I use same as Valorant. Like I just put that same crosshair in this game.
In this game I use like dome. No dome.
Yeah.
This crosshair. And in
But I
Valorant I,
don't know
use
his
Tens
crosshair.
crosshair. The best players.
Oh.
We're on.
I use same crosshair like and same sensitivity.
Yeah, sensitivity are same. Like they're both crosshairs are same almost. Tens and dome use same crosshair. All. Someone is coming.
Oh. Wait, what the fuck is this guy doing? Like he's full on running.
Bomb has been planted.
Where? Your
I think A. Yeah, it's A. Hey, what the fuck? It's B.
It's B.
B. I don't know how they got to B. Blind.
Hey, how to enter down there?
Fuck are you guys waiting?
You just go straight and then right and then go inside. It's okay, no time.
Terrorists win.
Only one player in their team got kills. Let's save, don't buy. Wait, who bought?
Not mine, not.
Come on,
Can you tell me
Jojo.
like
With the orange.
how to go like on basement of B?
Okay. Wait, customer. See, like up. If you go up, it's A. If you go right, it's B.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, and if you go right, wait, I'll just show you.
Oh,
They're coming in. I'll try to pick. RNG.
I killed one.
Nice. But there's one more.
I killed
Bro,
one.
that guy is doing full on RNG. Nice. But that guy is doing full on RNG.
Yeah, I saw it.
Smack 10. It's like in this game, it is way worse than Valorant. Like you can do more RNG than Valorant.
Yeah, it's fast paced. Much faster
Yep.
than Valorant. Have you tried 1.6? It's even more faster, like double
Move
than
it,
this.
son.
No, I haven't. I switched to 4th. Okay, I'm playing on 4th now. What do you play on?
4C?
4-3, stretch resolution. 4x3.
Oh, stretched. Can we directly stretch it this?
Yeah, you can. Everyone plays stretch. Yeah.
Play stretch.
Yes, every pro plays stretch. No exceptions.
I hate stretch.
Oh, there's only one player.
Let's go up.
Counter-terrorists win.
That is
Easy
my...
lemon squeezy.
Hey, can I stretch now?
Yeah, you can.
Video. Which
Video
resolution?
and then like and then like in aspect ratio select normal 4x3 and then 1440x1080 or like whatever you want.
1920 cross 4040.
No,
Yeah,
son.
then that is best for you.
40.
See how like everything is stretched.
No,
So how does this look?
I don't think everything is stretched. did
It looks wider, no? Everything
Nah,
looks
nah, nah, I
wider.
did something wrong. My bad. P40, nah. Apply changes. Yeah, it's wider now, super wide.
Yeah.
Earlier I didn't apply it changes.
But it's blurry. Oh. Yeah, but it's like blurry, no? It's very blurry.
Yeah, but enemies are like a lot wider.
Wider. So it's still like easier to enter.
There's one enemy there. Ah, this guy good.
Up.
Is there any option I can use scratch and also like good resolution? Like 2K or at least 1080p?
No, I don't think so.
Counter-terrorists win. Stuff.
I'll check. Wait.
Yeah, that's good, man. That's good. Horizontally, I'm using 1080p, like 1920. Vertically, 1450. That's good.
Remember, this is bandit country.
Oh, you just have one kill.
Yep.
Flashbang.
Come. Or standing there.
Wait. I'm trying to change a few settings to make it look better. I guess like MSA is the best you can do to make it look better. Like anti-aliasing.
Throwing flashbang.
You put on 2x MSA or 4x MSA and you'll get out.
Okay, let me do.
But you'll get lower FPS.
No problem.
It's not that much better to be honest. It's almost same.
You already get like a lot above my screen refresh rate, so not an issue. 180 Hz.
Oh.
Counter-terrorists win. Here we go.
Where shit he had some dog
Oh.
shit thing.
I knifed you.
Yeah,
My bad.
it's okay. I want AK from
Knife in
enemies.
CS is like way more realistic than Valorant. When you hit objects
Yeah.
and like
Go, go,
walls.
go.
Yep,
Sparks come out. Wow.
yeah.
Deploying flashbang.
Combined.
Shit, I'm blind. Bro, hiding.
Bro, there was,
I'm just,
that guy was
I'm
just
just stealing all the kills.
Up. Array, bro, ammo.
Yeah.
I was
you have to stop
thinking and
shooting.
thinking why.
Counter-terrorists win. No stopping us.
So like in this game, like once you're out, like say out of ammo and you're holding down the button and doesn't let you reload.
Yeah.
In this game, like you have to let go of the button. Only then you can reload. I'm buying op.
Move it, move it. Flashbang.
I should have.
Bomb has been planted.
A or B. See A or B.
B. It's B. I'm going B.
Basement. Here's the entrance. Where is the bomb?
Bomb has been defused.
Nice.
Counter-terrorists win. You're champion.
As you said, like every time count, CT will win.
Yeah, like in this game, it's way better to be on T side.
Let's make this right as rain.
No, but they're getting B side so easy. You know? Every time they're getting B side very easily because no one is holding.
Oh, I'm coming with you then.
Yeah, I'm holding this angle.
Can you mark a point where you want me to hold him?
Yeah, like they're only
Deploying
from the right.
Oh, I killed him. One guy was there. Boom, boom, boom. Come on, come on, come on. That's
Okay, I'm molly.
Throwing fire. Grenade out. Throwing
No,
flashbang.
our teammates are there. Our teammates are there. ये क्या हो रहा है? The fuck?
What the fuck?
पूरा मैप है.
Laying down smoke.
It's only one.
Maybe they are.
Only one player. फिर बस spotted है ना? Spotted है. Question mark है मैप पे.
Deploying flashbang.
वो अब गया question mark. ऊपर है, ऊपर है.
मैं ऊपर ही घूम रहा हूँ.
It drop down. Wait, what? तो कहाँ पे है ये?
No way. I checked every roof and every place.
तो कहाँ पे है?
Just guard the boom.
Bro, I'm so lost.
Guard
Yeah.
the boom. There is a boom. Oh, we
I'm
can't
holding
break this
on.
glass.
No, I think like it goes out of the map.
Yeah, how are you able to see him if he's out of it?
Wait, where was that?
Hey, can you tell me how to zoom the map?
Like that place is dark, right? If that place is dark, it's out of the map.
Oh,
It's not lit, right?
Counter-terrorists.
that's okay.
Nice
I'm asking
check.
how to zoom the map.
Oh, zoom the map. I think you have to press tab in this game. Tab.
Oh,
But I think there's more ways also. Like I just don't know. See flashbang on the ground. I dropped it.
Let's go.
I took it.
Nice. Go and hold.
Throwing flashbang.
These guys are doing. Wait, what? Game freeze हो गया मेरा.
Flashbang.
Wow, what happened?
Hey, what? I'm back. Bomb.
We are coming to.
Deploying flashbang. Throwing fire.
Can you mark the bomb again? Okay.
That's over here. Lol.
Counter-terrorists win. Nice.
Finally, I'm getting kills.
Nice. What should I buy? I'm buying M4. I don't want to op anymore. It's time to write this.
Come on, come on.
Still
jump,
not
jump.
able to understand how flashbangs work in this game. I always get
Like,
myself
let's go down.
Throwing
banged.
flashbang.
Is there any range of flashbangs?
No range. Infinite range. I died to nade. Bruh.
Wow.
They're down नीचे.
Wait, I'm going there. No one is here.
Hey, वो कहाँ पे है? Oh, planting.
Bomb has been planted.
30 minutes है, repeat.
Or
ये कहाँ पे है?
Throwing smoke.
where the fuck is bomb?
Defusing. Defusing.
Oh fuck!
Oh,
It's very hard to spot bomb.
Yeah.
Okay, let's play together. Swing left and right and win.
Gear up. We're going in. I'm behind you.
Where are you going?
Flashbang.
I'll
There
just
you
go
go, I'll go.
here.
Oh, there is a guy. Hey, there is a guy here.
Arey shit, bro, what the fuck, bro? RNG.
I told you there is a guy there.
RNG कर दिया उसने फिर से.
Yeah, I saw.
Teammate.
Hey, which gun is better, M4A1 or that another one, which is for 2900?
Or M4A4, I don't know. I don't know, it's hard to tell.
Like that M4A4 got 30 bullets. So I
Like
think it's
close
better.
use both. Yeah, but like close use both guns. Also like M4A1 has no bullet tracers.
Like there is difference. Like, pros they just hit headshots. Bullet count doesn't matter much. But for us, for me especially me, I spray, so bullet count matters.
Terrorists win.
A Dong is great in sniping. Na?
What?
Have you seen Dong gameplay?
Donk sniping.
Yeah.
Yeah, but like Donk doesn't snipe much. Like he's mainly a rifler.
Rifler.
Yep.
Move it, son.
And what about Jaivo?
Smoke.
Zaivu is open.
So I think Jaivo is that fat guy, na? 24.
Yeah.
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 Dong is just kid.
Yep. I think he's 19.
17,
20?
17.
Wait,
17,
what?
Yeah. And Jaivo
Now?
is 24. Yeah, Jaivo is 20.
Damn, bro. I didn't know.
He made career at just at the age of 15.
That's insane, huh? And he's like the best player right now.
Best player, yeah. 2025 we have 1.4 KD. Oh,
Yep. It's like him and Zaivu
our rivals now.
are contesting.
Bomb
Yep.
has been planted.
Hey, how this door got closed? What the fuck?
Yeah, what door?
That door.
You can press F to open. You can press F to open.
Oh.
Yeah, F.
Nah,
Huh?
it's not opening, man. E, not F, E.
Oh, E. Oh हाँ मैंने चेंज कर दिया F को. Never mind. Oh साइड भी है.
मैं गलत साइड इधर में बम फट जाएगा.
और ये लास्ट राउंड है. There's no point to save.
Terrorists win.
It's okay, we still go.
Yep. 275.
We will make them regret this day.
AK time.
Yep, I'm buying Tech 9. No, Tech 9 and
I
Hitching.
never bought Tech 9, let me try.
It's very good for like full on RNG.
Oh, RNG.
If you want, you can do full on RNG. Yes. It has like 18 bullets. It's a lot.
And how it's spray, like it's a full auto burst fire.
No, like you have to tap like
Tap,
for
tap.
every single shot.
Oh fuck. We one tapped both of us. Shri,
Bro, I suck.
Shri, you missed.
No. ये क्या था? Wow.
Happens, bro, say that. Oh, nice.
Counter-terrorists win.
Should we buy or kill or save?
Yeah, I think everyone is saving. Actually, wait, you know what? I guess I'll just buy Tech 9. I'm buying Tech 9 again.
Let's call my brother.
Let's go A from top. I think it's easier.
Like you have to walk off the ladder
I know.
and jump.
I was just seeing people.
The fuck? Arey, this is RNG. Oh wait, I was going B. I was not going A. Nice, gun, M4 आ गया. M4 हाथ में.
Terrorists win.
चार.
अपने आप उठा लेते हैं क्या? I thought we have to pick manually every time.
No, automatically होता है.
Okay.
Yeah, same है अर्जुन वालों.
Move it, move it.
We can't see enemies economy in this game. Or can we?
You cannot. No, you cannot. You have to take a guess.
Oh, how do you jump there?
Like you have to crouch after at the last second. Once come here and then go forward, crouch. Wait,
Duck.
wait, I'll show you once.
Hey, I'll do. Talking
Okay.
about crouching. I have to do
हाँ.
from here.
वही
Or,
करना. No, two from here.
fuck.
Shit, मैंने headshot मार दिया मेरे teammate को.
Oh, I climbed.
Nice. अब इस पे कूदो, ये box पे. वो बोलना मत है.
कूद दिया box पे कूदा.
अब क्या करना?
Planted.
Planting
कहाँ
भी.
plant हुआ है?
हाँ, deep plant कर रहे हैं हमारे teammate. ठीक बस. अभी ऐसा है ना.
यहाँ से.
Wait, वहाँ पे एक है क्या?
Aizen आया. Same guy killed me 3 times. I'm gonna take the
Oh,
revenge next
I will kill him. He went under the ladder.
Oh, nice. Bro said and did it.
I completely
Can
read
you
him.
drop me?
Yeah, wait, where are you? Take this. अरे shit, इसने ले लिया.
We must work
See how
together.
it is.
Fuck.
अरे रे मत मार.
He gave me thanks.
I'm ready.
Wait, वो दे दिया उसने?
Yeah, he gave me.
यार,
I'm regretting now tonight.
अरे क्या पे? अरे दो है. Oh, my bad.
अरे अभी मैंने फर्स्ट टाइम किया. अरे ऊपर था. There was a open.
हाँ. ये क्या jump कर रहा है? Wow. In this game, shotgun is very good.
Where shall we go? B or A?
I don't know. I'm playing in between. Just seeing what they are doing. I guess first hold करो बस. देखो. No.
I jumped with gun.
Yeah, it's like उतना पढ़ना मुझे भी नहीं मिलता.
And just 10 it.
Let's
What the fuck?
Okay, let's go B.
It's at least 2A.
planted.
I am on A and we have planted. Come, Sri. Are you alive?
No, it's not me. It's your teammate. B पे ही है.
Yeah.
कहाँ पे है ये? Okay, nice, he killed. Sad.
मेरे को एंगल्स नहीं पता ना कहाँ से आते हैं एंट्री पॉइंट्स.
Bomb has been defused. Counter-terrorists win.
Bro, they're in lead now.
Yep, it's fine. अब भाई
I'm doing this.
ये लास्ट राउंड बाय नहीं किया मैंने.
Oh, मैं शॉटगन ही चला रहा हूँ देखिए.
Okay.
Now is the time.
लॉल ब्रो. वो ऑफ कर रहा था वो और मैं इंस्टा वन टैप मार दिया.
Nice.
टैप पे मार दिया. I got too greedy.
Oh, I gave him some damage. One shot of it.
Terrorists win. Alright, better go, man.
और कितने प्लेयर्स लगे?
हाँ?
लाइक कितने प्लेयर्स लगे शॉटगन के लिए? अरे तो ऊपर देखा था ना डैमेज.
क्लोज में ही था मैं.
ऊपर
one
डैमेज
shot मारा.
देखा.
पैरों पे लगी शायद वो ऊपर चढ़ा हुआ
This is
था.
what we have been working for.
मुझे
I missed this time. I missed.
Throwing smoke. Terrorists win.
Bro, they should remove this friendly fire.
Yeah.
Like it decreases some realism, but still. As a Valorant player, I'm not used to it.
It's too frustrating. So yeah, it's very frustrating.
Throwing the flashbang. Swallow them.
Ah. What am I missing now?
The cop है.
Yes, तेरे सामने.
I'm throwing a grenade.
Hey, can we give damage by grenade, like hitting grenade? One or two.
Yep. It gives 1 damage.
Oh, I saw one CS clip on
Like, it
like,
used
pro play. Like that guy
Yeah, it was
killed him.
Nico and he died to line up. I think he
Yeah,
died to
yeah.
smoke grenade.
There
Yeah, because he
crazy
was
clip.
1 HP, he died.
Yeah, there was
Yep.
crazy clip.
It was very funny, bro. Like smoke
Oh, I did
grenade.
it first time.
He got killed with a smoke. So funny.
And that guy who got killed in English. What the fuck?
It's Nico.
Yeah, I killed this guy, Aizen, finally. Yes.
Yeah,
I'm throwing a grenade.
अरे
it's okay, मैंने dodge कर दिया.
मेरे को खुद को डैमेज लगा 10 HP बचा हूँ.
I'm throwing a flashbang.
It's at A.
ए
Yep.
Terrorists win.
ऊपर से मार दिया.
Little girls, run.
प्ले करना बहुत मुश्किल है ना, like इस गेम में.
क्या करना?
Like like spray करना.
स्प्रे आया.
Spray pattern straight
Spray
down
control.
नहीं होता है. हाँ, एक बार different होता है spray pattern इसमें.
स्प्रे पैटर्न थोड़ा
Straight
वाइड
down
है
नहीं
इसका.
जाता.
थोड़ा ज़्यादा वाइड है
Yeah.
मेंटली कंपैरिजन. बहुत ज़्यादा वाइड है.
Yeah, वही तो.
बट लाइक प्रैक्टिस करेंगे तो कंट्रोल आ जाएगा.
Yeah. अरे शॉटगन है.
अरे कहाँ था ये?
कॉर्नर में बैठा था शॉटगन्स करके. Like, इस गेम शॉटगन बहुत ओपी है इस गेम में. इट्स वेरी ओपी.
But there are no cool skins in CS. Animations and all this.
Yeah.
Simple
Yeah.
texture of paint. What do you think? What's the price of this gun? This guy holding? Diarox.
I think like it's not a popular skin or anything, so it'll be very cheap. I guess.
The
400.
popular skins are very expensive.
Yeah. I guess this skin is like 400 rupees max.
I saw one YouTuber video. And he was saying he have a 2 like million something collection. And
Yeah, in that case, it's a knife. Like he has many knife skins.
like how these
So, like, in
skins
this
get
game, nice.
expensive? Like what's the condition?
It's just about players.
Like it's hard
Like
to
the
get
players
or
who
like
decide the price.
some pro,
Yeah,
pro
yeah, like
makes
it's
it
hard
popular.
to get.
Oh.
Like it's a
thought-
combination of all of them.
I thought like some pro makes popular and this guns like that.
So, like even that can happen.
This is easy. We kill them, and then we go home.
But like it's still the players who decide their prices.
Oh. Yeah, there is a separate market for that.
Throw in the
So like
flashbang.
whatever price you will buy a skin at, like will be the price.
Smoke.
Bro, I got 3 I think there's overtime in this game. But in this
Yeah,
game,
yeah, there
overtime
is
is a bit different. Yeah, but it's a bit different. I think it's first to 15 now.
Throwing fire.
First to 15.
Yeah. So like even 14, 15 win is possible, I think.
Wow, spray, just run and gun.
Yeah.
Flashbang.
Oh, that's good. In smoke, it shows us projectile of our
Yeah.
movable things. Ah, nice.
Bomb has been defused. Counter-terrorists win.
Hey, have you ever played CS:GO?
Yep. I played this game since like 5 years.
What's the difference in CS:GO and this?
Like, I feel like it has better smokes in this game. Like
many,
better graphics.
many people
but
don't
lower
like.
FPS.
Like, many people don't like.
Yeah.
They are still stuck with
But
the
I
older
don't
ones.
Yeah, but like that's stupid. I feel like this game is better in a lot of ways. But except for like FPS part. In this game you get less FPS. I think 2A.
We are planting on B.
Zio and I think Amnu was A. I think like even GGO was at A.
Yeah, which angle to hold? Okay. Fuck.
I think it's going to like from on that other way. It's planted at B.
Hey, I'm near Spike. Where are you?
Bro, I'm dead.
Gooner.
I got 1 kill in that.
Terrorists win.
Nice one,
Get
GG.
down.
We win 11-13. I got the most MVPs.
6 MVPs. 10
Yeah.
assists. Oh. I'm
Damn.
having so much assist.
Yeah, I don't know why.
Headshot percentage is like almost same others. You will continue or what?
Like, what do you wanna do? Like, do you wanna continue or go? Up to you.
Like I want to change the map.
Possible. Like, change the map.
They just start random maps, whichever will get
Yeah, it
play.
is random maps only. Like, even last time I started random map.
Train overpass.
Wait 1 minute.
I'll play one more game, then I'm sleeping. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Shri, are there any Radiant in India? Anyone in Mumbai server?
Like in Valorant.
Yeah.
Yeah, there are. Like I don't know who. But
Are
there
you sure there is a Radiant from in Mumbai server?
Yeah, at least one is there, no?
Today, like that guy came in our lobby. It was 2000 rank Immortal. That's the highest in
Immortal.
India I've ever seen.
Oh, but I'm sure there's higher.
Do you have any friend or anyone who is higher than you?
No, I don't.
Hey, do that guy play professional?
Nope.
Why, man? He's like Immortal too. He should try professional.
Yeah, you should.
You can directly get contender, I think.
Yep. Then like I guess peak Emo 1 will also get contender directly. Like even if you have peak rank Emo 1, you'll get contender, I think.
I think it depends on MMR. If your MMR is above Emo, like Emo or above Emo, then you get contender.
Okay.
Average MMR of like team,
Yeah.
not rank MMR. Oh. Hey, how's your premiere going on?
We did not play.
Why?
We did not play the first week because they couldn't play the first week, but we'll play second week.
You guys qualified
Next
na
week.
from Elite 5 to contender, I think.
Yeah, yep. Yeah, we did. Yeah, and we had to play playoffs to go to that rank. We played and we got promoted.
Yeah, you told me
Contender
this.
league. Now, like we just have to play like this week. If we win again, then we'll go to like higher league, invite league.
Okay. Then
If
you will
you
get
won
to
there-
like if you won there, you will get invited to playoff regional playoffs,
Yeah. So like it's tier 2.
tier 2.
It's tier 2 Valorant tournaments. Yeah. And after tier 2, like it's Ascension.
And what's
then
tier 3?
1.
Like you guys were playing in.
Tier 3 is just stupid stuff. Like it's just a joke basically. So like say that there's a
Let's
streamer,
roll.
no, like even they can play in tier 3.
Okay, like how tier 3 work? Local lanes and all tournaments are tier 3, right?
Yeah.
Have you ever
See,
played the
see,
local
like
lane
in that
tournament?
team, anyone, no, like in that tournament, like anyone can play. There is no restriction at all.
Oh. But that makes no sense. Like anyone can play them. There should be a criteria.
I jumped on this guy.
Let's have at it, mate.
Yeah, like there should be criteria, but like, see, like, so like, it's the worst tier, right?
Yeah.
It's like the bottommost tier. So for that, there is no criteria. I bought 5-7.
5-7?
Yep, it's like Tech 9, but you can't RNG with this. So. I think you can't RNG, I'm not sure if it works.
Laying down smoke.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure you cannot RNG with this.
Where are they? B side?
It's B, it's B.
B.
Yeah, it's B, and I'm flanking them.
I'm also like flanking them.
I see you both. You're coming close. You'll have to walk.
Yeah, yeah. I'm behind you.
They're not B anymore, guys. What?
What the fuck?
Yeah, where are they?
Holding mid. Maybe.
We have bomb, we have bomb.
Ah, here.
It's inside, literally.
I marked it.
Yeah. Guys, I think he is low. I think he's low. Oh shit, apps.
Where is he?
Yeah. The apartments.
I killed him.
Nice.
Where is Boom?
Defusing bomb.
No diffuse kit. Okay. It takes 10 seconds, like without diffuse kit.
Yeah,
and
yeah,
5
I know,
seconds.
I know it, I know it. But it costs 400.
Yeah.
Counter-terrorists win.
Yeah.
I buy vest in first round. That's 650 rupees Kevlar vest.
Oh.
That's why.
But I think it's pointless. It doesn't help you from like headshot damage. It doesn't cover headshot damage. You need helmet for that.
Yeah, I know, but still, body damage is covered.
Go, go, go.
I'm just experimenting for money.
I see. Like in my experience, like I just get one pistols.
Fuck! I damaged him a lot.
Bro, how is your line? Shit, this one mid, nice. Guys, one top of palace. One palace up.
Bomb has been planted.
Oh, mine, B plan. Well, why is that palace guy not picking? I guess he's just running back B.
Maybe. Let's go. Hey, you can hear scope sound, right? Enemy
Yeah.
scope open and close.
Yep, you can.
Terrorists win.
Bro, that guy was damaged a lot.
But like, I don't think scoping makes a sound in real life, no?
Nah,
Like, does scoping make a sound? No, right?
I don't think so.
Yeah.
Scoping is
So
like
it's
just we are putting our eye on scope.
Yeah, exactly. So it doesn't make sense.
And zooming is also like
Are we rushing
just
in?
gear change.
Or are we doing sneaky
Yep.
peeky like?
Exactly.
They're making it too realistic. Coming A, coming A. Both sides. Oh! Ah! Crazy!
Oh, what did I just do?
That was crazy. They got.
Yeah. Yeah, exactly. What
I
was
saw
that?
the
can't
last
remember.
3 headshots, man. Crazy.
Yup. 80% headshot for it. Oh wait, it was an ace by the way. I got all 5.
So how to do ace then?
Grenade out.
Like I got all 5 kills, so it was ace.
Throwing fire. Throwing smoke. Grenade out. Deploying flashbang. Throwing flashbang. Throwing fire. Flashbang.
They're going B.
Guys, I'm going B. I think
Throwing a
it's
grenade.
Oh, someone is there, Now this guy is here.
Throwing flashbang.
waiting for a. Yep, he's on the left.
Fuck!
But sad.
I thought he didn't see me. MRD. Wait, what is this ADR?
Wait, ADR. I think it's like just average damage per
Per
round.
round,
Yeah, like all damage dealt by number of
Yeah.
rounds.
Deploying flashbang.
Up.
I'm defusing the bomb.
No way.
She
If
does
he had a
not have,
kid,
you don't have a kid.
if he had a kid, he would have misused.
Yeah, if you had a kid, you could have.
Terrorists win.
If he spent 400 extra, then he got it. But no.
Buying kit is worth it, I think.
Yeah.
Move it, son.
Like I think 400 is very cheap. Like for 5 seconds faster diffuse time, 400 is very cheap.
Incendiary.
Is there any gun?
No, I don't. So, I think there is one palace. I guess MP5 HD, SMG is there.
Leave.
But I will keep Deagle. I think Deagle is better. It's 1v5 and Spike is drop. Not Spike, I mean bomb is drop.
Bro, why are you dying?
I don't know, but I'm 3 HP.
I think you.
Arre!
I thought you. Where is your gun?
Arre, gun के लिए मारा.
You are just 3 HP.
Okay.
Because burning, I will be get banned if you do it again. Fuck.
Yeah.
Arre, bhai.
Terrorists win.
And our
Arre, I could have made it worth it.
It's okay. I'm buying one flashbang.
These fellas are gonna regret waking up this morning. Flashbang.
Yeah, I took a body. Nice.
मेरे को नहीं है.
तूने 3 तो मार दिए ना यार.
I got paranoid. हाँ.
Nice.
I thought यार that ये person था, like ये tap.
There is one guy here. Here.
Okay, I'm coming. I will nade. Actually, no. Will not because you're already there.
Grenade. Flashbang. Counter-terrorists win. Stuck right into them.
Hey, how is this gun? Hamza Ghasa gun. Hey, it's the custom gun. Oh.
What's going
That
in?
guy name is like this gun. Hamza Ghassan. Opponent name.
Yeah. It's just Galilea. It's like budget.
Throwing a grenade. Deploying flashbang.
It's a budget AK.
Smoke. Grenade out. Incendiary out. Throwing fire. Throwing flashbang. Grenade out.
Oh,
What?
guy is playing great.
Yeah.
Still having 4 kills.
Bomb has been planted.
What's his name? He's Navdik or Navadi.
Yeah, he's. Hey, what's 5 on in front of his name? When you press
Diffusing.
there's 5.
Where?
Like when you press
Like that
tab in
badge
front
which
of name,
shows
there
number
is
5.
like.
Oh yeah, like it means he's been playing from 5 years. Even I have that badge. I think.
5 years.
Counter-terrorists win.
Yeah, 5 years.
Easy peasy
No,
lemon.
even I have that badge. Even I have it. I can keep if I want.
Oh,
But I just didn't keep it.
I didn't know. I'm doing full buy. 0 credits left.
Wow.
Let's go.
I was a bit comfortable there.
Smoke. Grenade out. Flashbang.
Like, just only past 10 rounds or something.
Huh?
Like not 10, like at least 5 rounds. Like, they've been trying to come in Palace and they failed every single time.
Grenade out.
They can go Palace now. I made one of them low. I'm not sure who.
What should I do?
I think you just chill. I guess they'll come. A only maybe.
Maybe
They can come from
there.
Palace also. Yeah, they
Yeah.
can.
Throwing a grenade.
I'll tell if it's B. I should underpass mid. I guess they'll go side A from there. Wait, one is B apps though. One is B apps. Good sound.
Bomb has been planted.
What?
Is one guy.
One mid, one A side.
Yeah, I should have holded A.
Yeah. Wait, you know what you should have done? I guess like you should have gone to window.
Window. Which one
Yeah.
is window?
Like mid window or jungle.
Terrorists
You
win.
know what jungle is?
Nah, I don't know.
Okay, wait, I'll show you. Well, follow me, I'll show you.
No crate.
I'm buying from us. Wait, you know what I should say about everyone is buying, so I bought.
Oh.
Everyone is buying, even I bought.
Move it, move it.
Okay, so just come here, I'll show you.
Show me. So
See,
this is palace,
yeah.
huh?
Throwing smoke.
That-
Yeah, like up
Hey,
is
there are
palace, up
enemies
is-
in palace.
See, this is oh,
Deploying
This is
flashbang.
jungle. Mid area.
like look at where I am. See, this place
Ah.
is
Deploying
called.
flashbang.
Yeah,
Grenade.
yeah. And then like here, where there is it's called window. Here it's window.
Window, mid window.
Yeah, but
Just
it's also
came
for
running.
snipers.
Yeah,
It's all
I saw a lot of people snipe from mid
Yeah.
window.
Bomb has been planted.
Sri,
where?
we can go.
Okay, I guess
Terrorists
We can
win.
go window from both A and B side, right? Left and right. From like right is simple,
from
like we just show it.
B, yeah. But like from B, it's hard for CQ to do it.
Like one side
And like
did it,
mostly
you have
it's
to break.
terrorist to it.
Like there were few
Yeah.
wooden things I breaked and like entered.
Remember, this isn't the killing house anymore. This is real life.
I'm saving this now.
Same. Okay, what's this?
So that it's called like being apartments. Apartments or apps.
Oh, auntie, you gave him one head.
Yeah, it's like 50 health. Or like 50. There's 2 apartments.
Terrorists win.
What is your max HP when you buy both helmet and Kevlar vest?
See, like it's hard to tell. So like in this game, it works differently.
Okay, like shield doesn't drops first than health, na?
No.
Health drops first.
No, see, like they both drop.
Like some ratio.
We
fixed
are
Like
out of
percentage,
here.
yeah, and that ratio is like different for each weapon.
Okay. Like what's the maximum damage you can receive from single shot?
That I don't know. Like it's just all numbers. You can see somewhere. I don't know where.
Like when we hit like op shot in body, it gives 139 damage, I think. 139
Oh,
That's why I was asking, like it's so random.
is it after like armor penetration?
That I don't know. That I don't know.
Like it just depends. Like if enemy has armor or not. So it's very hard
Bomb
to
has
tell.
been planted.
But we can always one tap, like one hit with the body,
Yeah,
even if he.
you can always. But like you see, I think like I guess body and
Terrorists win.
goes on. It's called bench.
Navidik and Hamza.
Yeah.
I'm camping
You know
in
what,
palace.
I'm
Okay.
buying Scout. Okay, sure. I'm buying Scout. Wait, you know what Scout is? It's
Go,
like
go, go.
Marshall.
I've tried scout. I know scout. Double body shot.
Yep, I got 2 with my Scout.
Laying down smoke.
And I'm done.
Both body shots.
Yep. But I kind of wallbang though.
Grenade. Flashbang.
mid with op. Bro, for sure mid with operator.
Deploying
I mean
flashbang.
op. He was mid. Yeah, he's still mid. He's still there.
What do you think? He'll come A or B?
I don't know. I think he's just holding.
Throwing flashbang.
But he will lose if he just holds. I don't know what he's trying to do.
Hey, should I jump?
Wait, where are you? I didn't see. अरे
मैंने pick ही नहीं किया. I thought like he will pick. Second guy.
Counter-terrorists win. Clear, lads.
damn, I got MVP
Oh,
for
nice.
those 2 kills with scout. Also, in my time I scout, I saved in the last
Come
game.
on, let's go.
Oh, I'm feeling sleepy.
Okay, well, let's sleep after this. Mine pick 9 and
Same tech name.
If you want to go like HG grenade or smoke grenade or flash.
Now is the time.
Flashbang.
I buy HG generally. Like HG is good because if someone is stuck in a corner, you can just throw it.
But can like one grenade kill him?
No.
Oh! See. From here he's firing
Yeah.
whole bang. What the fuck?
Yup, it's wall banger. It's like Ascent. Nice. We got a headshot.
Ah. Hey, bomb.
The bomb broke because you took damage. What? That doesn't make sense.
Maybe. Yeah, he never had a bomb. That guy dropped it. Amir Hexo, right?
Yeah, I think he's just running free.
I'm planting the bomb.
Planting. No IDK.
Bomb has been planted.
He's the good player in their team. Watch out. Fragger. 25 kills, 7
Now
wins.
the
Oh, that.
where is he?
Yeah, apartments में है, but I guess he'll jump down.
Terrorists
Nice.
win.
You picked up Zeus. You know what Zeus is? It's
The
like taser.
200 rupees gun. We have to like. Man, taser hai. Endless.
Yeah. See, it's like shorty in Valorant. But like only one shot.
Okay.
But it always kills enemy for sure. It always kills enemy. And you need close range.
Like super close range for surety.
Yeah.
I'm throwing
yeah.
flashbang.
Yeah, I killed their best player. Ah.
Flashbang.
Nice. RNG.
Yep.
I'm planted.
They know a lot of angles, right?
Bomb has been planted.
Yeah. I do cause like I just watch pro games and I just like copying them. I'm trying to copy.
Throwing a flashbang.
वो देख रहा
Terrorists
है वो देखा
Yeah, I
Oh, you
saw
saw that?
Yeah.
What the fuck? हाँ कैसे आया? What?
You were just 2 HP. 2 HP, no?
Yeah, but like it bounced back and came outside. It didn't go in. It came out. How did it come out?
Physics.
We will make them regret this.
I have. What are you doing this 180?
Yep, I'm just doing it. Hey, don't go close, shotgun hai. Like he's just jumping and shooting. If you are close, he will jump and shoot with shotgun. He is very cringe.
Grenade out.
अगर एक और था तो मर जाता for sure. पर नहीं है.
अरे डैमेज पड़ गई. I think I should go.
Your team is going
I throw the flashbang.
nice.
Hey, like see now, like my health dropped by 75, but this vest dropped by 6 HP.
I throw the
Yeah.
flashbang.
Hey, one kill left.
That was whatever gun you had.
Oh, how?
Yep. This game shotguns are OP.
You gave me headshot.
Counter-terrorists win.
He killed all 3 of us. Hey, which gun is this? I'll also buy.
But which one?
Which gun that guy was using?
It's called Mag 7. It's only on CT side.
CT.
Yeah, it's only on their side.
This is also one difference, like terrorists are different and CT are different. There was one.
I'm throwing a grenade.
Hey, that's a lose-lose situation.
I don't know.
Because for them there is just a box to fire. For you guys, like it's full. Full damage. Now the
Bomb is
fans
dropped.
calling.
Wait, watch this, watch this.
I'm dead. Oh, you
Yeah,
said me
wait,
to watch.
just watch me. Check, it's possible to jump on top.
Crowd jump again, huh? Fuck!
Arey, what? Why is he there?
You did crowd jump, right? This guy. Oh, nice.
I got. I guess he will save. Arey, why did he jump? Sad.
That guy got crazy aim. Jump.
Yeah.
Is it easy to hit like while jumping compared to Valorant?
Yep.
How to inspect a
Together
gun?
we can do this.
Sri, how to inspect a gun?
I think H. For me, it's H. I don't know.
Yeah, it's it switches the side direction.
Oh, then I don't know. Why? Maybe why then?
Nah, Y is for chat.
Oh yeah, right. Then I don't know. I don't know the vibes. I'm jumping up again.
I'm throwing the flashbang.
Arey.
This is the route I was saying to you.
Oh, okay. Sometimes like dog uses that.
Ah!
Spectre RNG.
MP for.
Yep, MP5 SD. I guess silent SMG. So it's similar to Spectre.
Bro, missed.
What is this aim, bro? Diabolical aim.
Diabolical.
Bomb has been defused. Counter-terrorists win.
See, like, if you like spray and miss, it's fine. But if you tap and miss, then I think it just means you're bad.
If you miss single time twice, it's okay, but again and again, then it's bad. I think.
Yeah.
Hey, you're buying that Marshall again, sniper.
Yes. Yes. And just go and fight this guy.
I'm also coming. Oh fuck!
Shit, he has the bigger sniper. Actual op.
Bigger gun.
Yeah.
Hey, where was he? Can you mark mid window or what?
At window only. Yeah, at window. Yeah, and he has op. No shot. Wait, you see a wheel there, no? Wait, once go a bit right. See a wheel like a
What?
wheel है ना वहाँ पे?
कहाँ है wheel?
अरे एक wheel. Go left, go left. Like just go behind the boxes you were hiding. Yeah, see there's a wheel there. You can jump on that.
Okay.
Activating the bomb. Bomb has been planted.
A site.
Nice. Wow. Robot Odin.
Odin. नहीं Odin नहीं Aris.
हाँ, it is. I forgot ये छोटा वाला है.
Wow, bro, wait.
Yeah.
Ballistic is down.
Terrorists बंदा है पर like at least brain तो है.
Yeah. Common sense.
Yeah.
It is time now, my brothers.
कहाँ चलना है बता? Where to go?
Wait, I'm trying to do a lineup. I'm not sure.
Oh, crazy! What kind of lineups are you guys doing?
I don't know if it will work. I don't know.
You really throw that far? Grenade that far. In real life.
Yeah. Oh, look at the smokes. Look at the two smokes.
Oh, you guys did this.
Yeah. Actually, like I missed my
But
lineup. I
still,
went to
like,
smoke
it
when-
doesn't blocks window.
हाँ,
Wait, there are enemies in front of you. By mistake, I killed him.
Counter-terrorists win.
वो नेट किसका था वो नेट?
Nade नहीं पता, लेकिन like I killed a teammate by mistake and then.
I thought teammate का नेट है वो.
तू मर गया क्या उससे? He died.
Grenade. Yeah, like I took damage
Let's go, my brother.
from grenade.
Deagle and full shield.
Throwing bomb.
Nice.
Let's see.
Throwing a grenade.
I got like my ground shield.
I have bow. But
Planting the bomb.
oh, almost all my opponents are alive. Fuck. Oh. Bro, no way. I'm.
Bomb has
अरे
been
बहुत हार्ड है यार ये तो.
पीछे भी था.
Counter-terrorists win.
Always good for it है.
That's not like Sheriff. Deagle is different.
Yeah. Yeah.
Do you feel it's like self?
Like it goes side to side also. Like it goes diagonally, like the recoil. It's not
Together we
straight
can do
up.
this.
It's diagonal.
Oh, diagonal.
Yeah. So
And
it's
one
very
more
hard.
problem, like I don't have external keyboard, so it's very hard to strafe.
अरे कैसे मारा तू like
I took revenge.
Nice. Lovely.
What the fuck? यहाँ पे कैसे आ गया इज्जत भी?
इसे साइड ऐसे पुश किया.
ये हर बार आरएनजी करता है लस्सी.
Yep. I guess GG sir. Probably GG's. No, man, not doing good. That's fine.
Counter-terrorists win.
Okay.
I'm leaving.
Okay, bye bye.
Bye, bro.
You know I'm leaving. Good night.
Good night.